Hey guys, myself Atul and welcome to Code Sickness. And today what we're going to discuss is real strange. What we're going to be doing today is writing a code which will execute even inside a comment. Yes, that is what we're going to do today. And it involves Unicode characters and new line character especially. So let me just jump right into it. We'll just define a public class which is of the name rec because I'm using this file as rec.java. And now we'll just define the main function through which our compiler will come to know where to start execution. So public static void main, then string args, and at the end we just open it and write a comment, which is this double forward slashes. And then here we just write a comment, anything actually, it doesn't matter. And after that we use the Unicode character which is U double triple zero D, and this triple zero D is actually signifying new line. So after this Unicode character, the compiler will think that a new line has begun and hence will consider anything written after this point as a code, not a comment. So let's just write a simple system.out.println and just write output in here. Output. Let me try execution. And we get an error. Of course, never forget semicolon. So here's the output. And we can also try like equations or variables, anything will work. Let me just, for example, write 8 plus 9 into 15, something like that, and just run it. You can calculate the answer if you want. It's 143 by the way. And that's it for today's video. Share if you liked it, subs if you loved it. Thanks for watching.